Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you on Photoshop how to use a gradient map, aka basically giving you a two-tone image. So right here I just have an image I pulled off of the internet. I'm working with the background layer. And then you are going to go up to layer, up in your top bar, and then you're going to go down to new adjustment layer. And then you're going to go over here, and then towards the bottom you're going to see gradient map. You're just going to hit OK on this. And so you can see here they already give you one example of a two-tone you can use. By clicking on this down arrow here, you can choose from a different range of colors. So you want to do green and blue or purple on purple. So that gives you a couple options. If you want to make your own, you can just double click on that bar. And then here you'll see you have the two little squares on each end on your range of colors. So you can double click on these little colors, and then you can basically pick any shade you want. So for example, I'll do yellow on this end, and on this end I'll do a reddish orange. And then you just hit OK, and then that'll give you that two-tone image. So I hope this helped a little bit. It's pretty easy. It gives a really cool effect though. The tutorial I watched, it said you'll see this effect a lot on Apple Music, which is really interesting on their advertisements, but I thought this could be a fun little thing to use, and I didn't really know about it before, so hope this helped y'all out a little bit.